Hello friends, today in this video I will just quickly show you how to create Azure App Service environments in Azure portal. Okay, now what I'll do, I will just navigate to my Azure portal where I will log in and I will show you how to create these app service environments. Right now, let me go there. So you can able to So you can able to see I have already logged into my Azure portal. So to create the Azure App Service environment, what you can do, you can search here App Service environments, and if you will start typing this app service, you can able to see here app service environments, right? Just click on that, and then what you can do, you can click on the add button. Now you can able to see create app service environment version 3. So version 3 is the latest version as per the current date. Okay. Now in this window you have to fill some basic details, right? On the basics tab, you need to ensure that you have select the correct subscription here. Now for the resource group, you can either select any existing resource group, or you can just click on the create new button and just enter a research group name and click on the OK button. I will just choose an existing research group, that is my NEWRES group, right? Now here on the instance details, you need to provide the app service environment name, right? So that name you need to provide. I will say Azure Lessons. Yes, right. So this is my app service environment name, and then you can just specify whether it's internal or external. Okay, for me it is internal. You can also choose the external also. It's up to you based on your requirement, right? And then what you can do, you can go to the hosting, and here you can enable the physical hardware isolation if you want. For me it is no need, so I'm making it disable. And zone redundancy also, based on your requirement, you can enable it or disable it, right? For me no need, so I will just select disabled only. So I will go with the default option as it is. And now you need to go to the networking tab, and here you can select the virtual network existing one, or if you don't have, you can just click on the create new option and provide the network name and select the region and click on the OK button. Okay, and then so for me I'm choosing the existing one. Okay, now for the subnet, you can also choose any existing one. I have testing already one subnet is available, so I'm going with that existing one. If you want to create a new one, you can just create on the you can click on the create new link and provide the subnet name, and then all these things whatever required here, and click on the OK button, right? So these are actually optional. So if you want to change, you just need to provide the subnet address block. Okay, that is compulsory, and then you can click on the OK button. Okay, to create a new subnet. So for me, I am using the existing. Now, coming to the DNS section, which is optional, you can either choose manual or this Azure DNS private zone as the default one. And here inbound IP address again, if you want, you can make it manual, or manual means you need to provide the ID. If you want to make it automatic, you can just click on the automatic option, right? You can select the automatic option, but it is suggested to use the automatic one. Okay. Now we will move to the next tab, that is the tags. You can provide the name and value if you want. If you want to create any name value pair as a tag. Okay, for me I don't need this, so I will directly click on the review plus create button. Okay, now what it will do, it will validate all the data that you have entered, whether it is correct or not. In case any issue is there, it will show you some validation error. Okay, now for us everything is all right. So uh, and one more thing is that in the summary, you can just select the pricing details. You can just check out the pricing details, guys. whatever you want to use, you can use it here. Okay, so it is bit costly, so it's up to you how you are going to use the pricing tier based on your requirement. You can select it here actually. Okay, now I will just go to the final step, which is the create button. I will just click on the create button. Remember that if in case of any validation issue, you won't able to see the create button since we have everything data entered correctly, and that's why create button is enabled. And we can just click on the create button, and it will start, creating that particular app service environment. Deployment is still in progress. Actually, it will take some more time to do this. You can able to see the deployment has been completed successfully. Now to go to the resource, what you can do, you can just click on the go to resource button. And the moment you will do that, you can able to see that this is the app service environment that we have created, right? So this is how you can create an app service environment in Azure, right? Azure app service environment. That's it for today. I thought to quickly show you how to create app service environments in Azure using Azure portal, and these are the steps you need to follow to do that. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found this video a little helpful for you, kindly subscribe to our channel to support us so that you will get lots of free Azure tips, different helpful Azure PowerShell commands, as well as Azure CLI commands, and many more. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. Bye bye.